Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Jonathan Rushing with Elevate Roofing and Exteriors, your roofing expert. Signs of a failing roof. The first big one that we all know is when you see those leaks. When things are dripping inside your house, you know your roof has failed. But did you realize with proper inspections and maintenance that we can find the evidence of roof fails before it gets to a leak? So this is why you want to call us so that we can check on your roof. If it's been many years since you've had it inspected or you've had it replaced, you need to have a professional take a look at it. Here are the things we look for. We look for loose or missing shingles. We look for things like cracked or rusting flashing. We look for obvious sagging. We look for exposed nail heads, places where storms may have affected through wind or hail had affected the lifespan of the roof. We looked for dark or stained areas. We look for, excessive algae. We look for, water leaks in the attic. We look for water leaks inside your house. And we look for cracked or blistering or, shingles that are degrading before their time because of exposure to sun more than other areas. So there's so many things that we can look and try to mitigate any kind of further damages before they occur. Listen, friends, if it's leaking in your house, you waited too long. You need to get us there before the leaks in your house because that just increases expense. Then you're talking about possible mildew and mold inside the attic. You're talking about having to replace insulation. You're talking about having to fix sheetrock, repaint. You can stop all that from happening just by getting someone like us, Elevate Roofing Exteriors, to come take a look at it and make sure that we can make sure your roof lasts as long as it should and you don't get those leaks inside. Check back with us next time. We've got more great information coming your way.